In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use spacing options for both sections and blocks. Let's start with sections. In the section settings, you'll see options for desktop layout and mobile layout. When you open the desktop layout settings, you'll find controls for desktop section padding and desktop section margin. Padding refers to the internal spacing inside the section, while margin refers to the external spacing outside the section. For example, if you adjust the top or bottom padding, you'll see the space inside the section increase or decrease. Anyway, any changes you make will be applied only after clicking the Save button. If you change the margin value, the entire section will move away from the surrounding sections. These spacing adjustments apply only to the desktop version of the site. If you want to customize spacing for mobile devices, you'll need to switch to the mobile view. Once in mobile view, you'll see separate spacing controls specifically for mobile. Any changes you make here will only affect how the section looks on mobile screens. You'll notice that desktop spacing options are not editable while you're in mobile view, and vice versa. This allows you to fine-tune the layout independently for different screen sizes. The same spacing principles apply to blocks. For example, if you select an image block and scroll down in the block settings, you'll see, just like the sections, the image block also has the desktop layout options and mobile layout options. If you select a text block, you'll find the same spacing options. This makes it easy to maintain consistent spacing across all elements while still having full control over how each section and block appears. That's how you manage spacing for sections and blocks.